This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can power this device off without physical buttons. So if for some reason your physical buttons do not work, or they are unavailable, or you simply want to learn how to switch the device off without using them, you will first need to launch the Settings app, then enter the General category, scroll all the way to the bottom here, and tap Shutdown. Now, over there, tap at the power button and slide the power icon all the way to the right to confirm the device switch off. And now simply wait a few seconds for it to be properly powered off, and here you have it. The deed is done. So should you have any further questions, ask them in the comment section you'll find below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.